This is the way to do things. Like, this is the way. Cute. Prioritize.
Okay, like the very first thing is to brush your hair. You can't have knots and like evenly distribute product throughout your hair. So let's just get that out of the way. We're also gonna do this a lot. First, I'm gonna use this nice Ichikami grass essence. I got it because TikTok told me to. It's nice and light, and I can also use it on dry hair, but I'm using it on like wet hair to trap that water in. And I'm also spreading it through the layers of my hair. I only have a couple, but I just want to make sure all the ends get a little bit of everything. And I'm gonna brush through again. This is a leave-in repair treatment from REDKEN. See how shiny it already is? I wanted to air dry a little bit right before we add the oil. This is the VERB Ghost Oil. It is so lightweight.
Little bit. So crucial.
I know that looked super extra, but I'm actually making sure to evenly spread the oil so it doesn't go on too heavy, because if it goes on too heavy up on top of my bangs, we have to start all over again. And yep, brushing through one last time. And you should part your hair now. As you can see, I'm pretty bad at it. I struggled a couple times. Be really gentle with any knots you find. Start from the end. Now your hair should feel really soft and the brush should pass through really easily. It's really shiny. This has been working really great to like manage my baby hairs and just keep things soft, keep things light, shiny, keep it chill. And now this step is completely optional, but I like to add a perfume into my hair. I'm just gonna spray the perfume into the layers of my hair and also like flip my hair and give it a good spray. And this is my hair care routine for right now.